In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone apps crashing. It's a very easy method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it can be really frustrating when your iPhone apps are constantly crashing and you have no idea why. So there's a few steps we're going to go through to fix this. The first thing I want you to do is swipe and go over to find your app store. Then once you're here, what I want you to do is click your profile icon on the very top right. And then from here, you're going to scroll down until you find updates. And then you just want to press update all. I've updated mine recently, so it's not showing up for me. But you want to press update all and make sure all your apps are properly up to date, because certain apps will not work if there isn't a proper update done recently or anything like that. So you want to make sure that it's, recently updated and you should be good to go. And if that doesn't work, what I want you to do is go over to your settings application. From here, I want you to basically scroll down until you find general. And then what I want you to do is go over to iPhone storage, which is the third option. Then from here, you can go and find any of the applications that you want. For example, let's say TikTok was the one that was not working for me. I have two options here. I can either offload the app or delete the app. So what a lot of people try and do is delete the app and reinstall it. And while that might work, you don't have to do all of that. So you can also press offload app. And this basically says this will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. So you can just press offload app and then reinstall the app again, then try and open up TikTok and you should be good to go and it should be working okay. Now, the final thing I'd recommend if that doesn't work is going back to over your settings. From here, scroll down until you find general, and then you're going to see software update, which is the second one, and then just update to the latest version of iOS. You can also have automatic updates on if you want to as well, but update. And if you haven't updated for a while, that could be why your certain apps are crashing, because if your operating system isn't up to date, that could basically be the issue. And you want to make sure that your operating system, which is running literally all of your apps, is running smoothly and is properly up to date. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.